happy cryptocurrency. Uh, Yesterday was expiry date of Bitcoin, and as everybody thought, most of people was saying that Bitcoin might go to 8,000, but we did not see any fall in Bitcoin price or in the market. So after almost 2 weeks, let's see what is our current market update. Current market cap is around 505 point around 500 billions. Last week when we check our current market, it was around 750 billions. So you can see which is around, we have falls around 200 billions in market cap since last 2 weeks. But everybody predicted that market or Bitcoin might go to 8,000 US dollar, but at least we have not seen so far that kind of fall. But as per analysis, my personal analysis, I'm expecting to at least reach, Bitcoin might fall out to 8,000 maybe next week. There is no specific time frame, but looks like it will go to at least around 8,000, and after that we'll see how it will go. Um, if it will go to 8,000, then I'm definitely going to buy Bitcoin at that level. This is what I'm thinking to buy at that price, and we'll see if we at 8,000, if Bitcoin mm, remain around that area, then I think that might be a good support for Bitcoin for short term or maybe for long term as well. And if after that it will go, it will bounce back, then and it will remain around the range between 8,000 to 10,000 or 11,000, then I think I don't think so. After that, we might see any more correction. So that was about Bitcoin. Hmm, here is the market cap. Let's look at my previous two recommendation, I uploaded my video. First one is the Dent coin, which is of course along with the market. It has went down, and which is around 300 Satoshi, and if you'll see in US dollar, then it's around 0.03 cent, which is almost 50% fall after I recommended. But this is all about market fall. Market went down, so along with the market, it also has went down. I have personally, I have invested in Dent coin around 6 cent, and I am expecting it to go up to at least 30 cent at the end of the 2018. So I'm not worried about. I'm not worried about anything. I will just hold it for up to end of 2018. And another my recommendation is Internet of People, which is also went down along with the market. But friends, this IOP has not gone down, as in Dant coin. I recommended IOP around 6 or 650 US dollar, which is still around that price. And I think it's this. I did mention in my video, this cryptocurrency is undervalued. I think so. You see, along with the fall with the Bitcoin price, it has not gone down so much, because of course it has not gone up as well along with the rally which we have it in Bitcoin. So if you see, all time, it was back in 2017, it was around the same $9, and again it went to around $9-10, and again we have, I think it's a good opportunity to buy at this price, and hold it for at least 2018. You can multiply your your money at least 5x to 10x. Okay, so friends, this is to cryptocurrency I talk or I recommended in the past. Here I'm going to analyze one more. I have analyzed one more cryptocurrency, and I think that is going to be explode in February and in 2018 as well. Sorry, guys. So my next cryptocurrency is Raiblocks. Sorry, guys. Which is around $20, 20 US dollar. I think Ryblock has potential, and I'm going to give my comments on Ryblocks. I think this cryptocurrency is going to be a mm, biggest competitor for even Bitcoin, Ripple, and all Ripple, Bitcoin, Litecoin. Most of the currency which are at currently at large cap cryptocurrency. For example, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Ryblox can give tough competition to this cryptocurrency in 2018 and sorry guys. So here is my points why I think to invest in Ryblox can multiply your investment maybe at least 10x in 2000, not 10x but at least 5x to 7x in 2018, and you can invest in Ryblox for long term. I mean 3 to 5 years. That can Ryblox has potential to go at least 1000. I will give you my price prediction at the end of this video. So let's start look at Ryblox. Why I think Ryblox can is a long-term hold, and what is the potential of Ryblox. Ryblox is a digital currency, and you can say instant transaction, and this is what the in 2017 and 18 companies, small business, large business are looking into it about instant payment. This is what the theme in 2017. Ripple has made hundreds of contracts, hundreds of deal, for instant payment, or to reducing international transaction. So Ryblox has the same service, not service, but the same technology that can help firms uh, to transfer their money instantly. And one of the significant thing about Ryblox is that they are claiming that it's a freeless. They don't have any fees, and their transactions are scalable. That's something that interesting, because these days Bitcoin transactions are scalable, but due to volume and the price, it's getting slower and expensive. So Ryblox has opportunity, or things to offer to companies, or companies who is transferring money international or domestic. Another thing about Ryblox is it has its own blockchain technology. So so same as internet of people, not same as internet of people, but Ryblox don't have to depend on Ethereum or Bitcoin. So that's one more positive or advantage of Ryblox. And one of my favorite thing about cryptocurrency is working product. Ryblock do have a working product, and it is usable in real world. So that's something that I would prefer to invest in Raiblocks. And I'm I'm really excited about I'm excited to know how Ryblock is going to work, because currently they are stating that the transactions are much more faster than Ripple and of course Bitcoin and Ripple. Here is, let me show you one chart. Here you go. This is what the Ryblock is claiming, that they can um, their transaction per second can be 70,000 plus, which is the highest they are claiming in the current market scenario. Nobody can compete them, which has I don't think so anybody has mm, potential to do 7,000 plus transaction per second. And I have been monitoring, I have been watching Ryblogs. I did not invested in the past, but yesterday, 2 days ago, I invested in the Ryblogs, and my investment price is around $13, and they have successfully performed the transact. Not they were doing some, they were trying actually to transfer or something, and their test was successful. And one other thing, in the past I did not actually, I have been watching Ryblox since December, when it was hovering around $3 or $4, but I did not invest it because of small exchanges. But Binance is going to launch Ryblox list in, maybe it might be in February, or it should be in February. So I think, Ryblox is people are looking into Ryblox, and that this project, it seems uh, interesting, and okay, it's workable product. So that, and white paper, I also look into their white paper, which is complicated for me. Personally, I'm not too much technical about blockchain technology, but after reading, white paper of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrency, white papers of Raiblocks seems interesting to me. It is bit of complicated and technical, but looks like they have something that can change, or they can offer some some of the large companies like Amazon or Visa, or any of companies which is doing transaction. Um, One of the thing, Ripple went up because people were saying the Ripple is in process of doing getting deal with Visa or Mastercard. So guys, friends, I think, I'm not sure, I'm not showing any news from Ripple, but I won't be surprised if Ryblox get attraction from some of the large company, and in 2018 Ryblox can get deal from any of these large player, not large player, but companies which is doing international transaction. So after analyzing, and one first of all, let me give you my price prediction based on the event Ryblox have it. First of all, Ryblox tweeted 2 or 3 days ago that the iOS wallet is almost ready and they are going to launch it soon. So that is going to affect the price. I think that's a positive news for Ryblox. And another positive news is they are going to get listed on Binance. So that's the second thing, that some people might not have not invested because it's only on couple of small exchanges. Q, Qcoin is these days is getting bigger and attractive, but not as compared to Binance, but Binance listing will definitely going to give good support to Raiblocks, and I think people who don't trust Qcoin or this small exchange might invest in Raiblocks once it's listed on Binance. As per the these two news, I think they are Ryan. I won't be surprised if Raiblocks will reach around 40 or 450 US dollar. Raiblocks recent high was around 38 US dollar, if I'm not wrong. Then let's see. Yeah, it was around 38 US dollar. That was the all-time high. So I won't be surprised once it's listed on Binance. It can reach it. It can go to at least 50, 40 to 50 US dollar. And during 2018, they are going to launch their iOS wallet, then Android wallet, and if you see their roadmap, then they have let me open their road roadmap so we can discuss further. You see, they have been working since October 2017, and future they are working on wallets, which they are going to launch soon. They are going to launch iOS wallet and maybe Android wallet later on the year. So right now their roadmap is not clear, but trust me, guys. I can trust this team and their product, the technology they have it. That seems interesting to me. And yeah, here you go. You see, they did tweeted about their wallet. So they are going to launch their iOS wallet soon. Uh, I Raiblocks has potential and their product is good. Everything is good. Only thing about Raiblocks is that their team is, I don't know they how's their marketing team, but their marketing is little bit of they're not marketing their product. I'm not sure about it, how's they're doing it, but at the moment it's not popular. It is popular, but I hope they're off. They do their marketing and they offer their they so or their team then can convince some of the big players that can use their service. That is the important. So that is a little bit negative side for me because their marketing team, I'm not sure how's they're doing it, but they're active only on Reddit and maybe some Twitter, but nothing too much. Even here, their website is not. If they work on their website and their roadmap, that can gives more detailed information about their roadmap or anything that will help Raiblocks. At least that can attract investor to invest in in this cryptocurrency. Anyway, so along with the only iOS wallet launch and Binance listing, that can definitely take Raiblocks to 40 or 50 US dollar. And my prediction for 2018 is Raiblocks can reach at least around 120 US dollar to 150 if they can get attention and they convince some one of any of this large company, which I think they are going to convince. I am sure even their sales and marketing team is not active on too much. They are just doing their marketing on Reddit. They looks like they're active on Reddit and Twitter, but looks like they will convince at least couple of companies that can, that they will use their service, and that can give Raiblocks, that can be the what I can say. I sorry guys, that word I'm not able to, I forget that word. But if they get contract, or they close the deal with any of this large company, that can be the turning point for Raiblocks. And if they can do it, then I think Raiblocks will price will be around at least 120 to 150 US dollar at the end of 2018. And if they continues to get attention from the companies who is doing international transactions, like Visa, Mastercard, or Facebook, Google, any of these large company, eBay, Amazon, anyone. And if they keep continuing doing their work, and they get deals or contracts, or they convince these companies to use their service, then in 2019 or 20, or long-term target, my long-term target for Raiblocks can be 1000 US dollar, because Raiblocks can be a true competitor of Bitcoin Ripple, because their transaction per second, if they're claiming 7000 plus, that's something interesting or unique about their project. So that's why I think it has potential. Another thing is, I'm saying it 1000 US dollar, because of circulating supply. I cannot say that Ripple will reach to 1000 US dollar. It can be, it can, but if you compare, if it Ripple will go to 1000 US dollar, then their market cap can't be, in maybe in trillions of dollars. So Ripple might not be possible for Ripple, but Raiblocks has 133 million coins in circulation. So in 2018, so I think, along with the other cryptocurrency, and use of cryptocurrency in real market, in the real world, it can be 1000. That's I think so. This is what my personal analysis and prediction of price prediction for Raiblocks. But as usual, guys, I'm not your financial advisor, and if you invest in Raiblocks, do your own research. Hmm, this is just my personal opinion. Everything here is my opinion and my personal judgment. I am not a professional financial advisor. Do your own research. Even I was a financial advisor, I should do. You should do your own research. So, guys, this is update about cryptocurrency market, and cryptocurrency for next month. I guess Raiblocks will be the cryptocurrency up to February 2018, which can be double or triple from here. So look at, keep eye on Raiblocks, guys, and I think, I hope you can make money in Raiblocks, or investing in Raiblocks, or trading, or any other cryptocurrency. And let's hope, guys. January 1st was mm, not good for cryptocurrency community, but let's hope my February month will be good for cryptocurrency community. But yes, guys, friends, let me give you my opinion about the market. I'm not expecting that Bitcoin will reach all-time high in February, March, or April. As per my personal opinion, as whatever I have analyzed, I think Bitcoin will go sideways from here. It can reach to 8,000 anytime. That's I can say. But about the that was about the weak size, but stronger side. It can go. It won't be. It might not go up to 15 or 16 or 20,000 in up to at least up to March or April. I think my personal view is saying that month of May or June might be, Bitcoin can hit all-time high, but I don't think so. In near future. So just keep eye on, if you want to look into it, just you can keep eye on Bitcoin price. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. And please, if you like my video, please hit like button. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. And hope to see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.